Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss funnel analysis metrics in detail. The metrics collected in funnel analysis are visitors, conversion rate, and average completion time. Visitors are the unique number of people coming to your web page configured in step 1 of funnel. Conversions are the number of unique instances where a visitor completes all the steps given in your funnel. Conversion rate is the percentage of unique users who have completed the defined step order. Finally, the average completion time shows how long it usually takes for visitors to finish all the steps you have configured for the selected time range. The report comes with a date picker, where you can select to view the report for a specific date range. For example, we can select the last 30 days or 7 days, and accordingly, the report gets updated. Now, let's look at how the drop-off graph appears. The number of steps in the configuration will be shown in a table format to help us understand the conversion journey and drop-off. If you notice, there are 3 steps configured for this funnel. We can identify the journey throughout each step and see the drop-off rate from step 1 to step 2. If we click on the drop-off rate between each step, we can see detailed reports covering the experimental time duration. By clicking on the drop-down at the right top corner, we can view the graph for conversion rate, visitors, drop-off, and drop-off rate. This graph shows exactly how visitors are performing from step 1 to step 2 in detail. And along with that, we have segment audience, where we can filter the report based on a preset segment available under Smart, or we can create our own field using advanced segmentation as well. To check the report only for a specific group of audience, we can make use of this. Funnel analysis reports can be exported in CSV format. They can also be shared with a password-protected link. This is all about funnel analysis report in detail. For any clarifications, reach out to our support team. Thank you.